So this time, I've actually been really excited to have one of these. I haven't tried one yet. This is the Burger King Impossible Whopper. You know how much I love my Burger King. So this is my first time having an Impossible Whopper. Let's try it out. It actually smells really, really good. It smells like the grill, but how does it taste? That's so good. I don't know. That's probably the best veggie burger I've ever had in my life. The breading's awesome. Man, you can't even tell that this isn't meat. This is insane. Dude, there's nothing Burger King can't do. They have like the greatest minds in the world working at Burger King. This is flawless.